Hi, my name's ShirleyAnne, and I have 4 grown-up children, all left home, and I raised 2 grandchildren. I didn't waste any time signing up for his 3-day one event, and I loved it. Very informative. He went through everything at a slow pace, easy to understand, and I realised in construction there's so much you need to know about the law in building, planning regulations, so it's much needed. So Lisa Tinker gave some really good information out too. They're very knowledgeable in their line of work, so I was more than pleased to sign up for the Bronze Academy in construction, and I'm so looking forward to doing it. So thank you very much, Paul and Lisa.